Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we from Group 7, Section 4. Our lecturer is Dr. AZIZI bin MARDI. We present the project that we'll finish. Our title is Yokogawa Company. So let's go. This is our group member. My name is Muhammad Ikhwan Hakim bin Fadli. Our other member is Megat Hamidun bin Muhammad Bahrul Nizam, Muhammad Zaim bin Bakhtiar, Muhammad Iqbal bin Hilmi and Muhammad Razikwan bin Tarmizi.
Introduction to company Yokogawa. Yokogawa is a electric corporation founded in 1950 and based in Tokyo, Japan. It's a global leader in industrial automation and measurement solution. The company specializes in technology like distributed control system (DCS), safety system, and field instrument used across industries like oil and gas, power, chemical, and pharmaceutical. Yokogawa is known for reliable and innovative products, including its Centum DCS and its driving digital transformation with IoT, Internet of Things, AI, artificial intelligence, and data analytics. Focused on sustainability, Yokogawa developed energy-efficient solutions to support a low-carbon future. Operating in over 16 countries, Yokogawa helped business improve efficiency and achieve their goal. So, this is the 5 transducer that we choose from Yokogawa company. We have EGA 530E pressure transmitter and Rotamas flow transmitter, SC25B combined pH electrode, YTA 710 temperature transmitter, and lastly is EGA 100 18W level transmitter.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Megat Hamidun bin Muhammad Bahrul Nizam. My matrix number is CE240007. Okay, today I will talk about the pressure transducer, in this case the EJA 530E. It is a high accuracy pressure gauge transmitter that uses Yokogawa's DFARP sensor. It measures pressure relative to the atmospheric pressure and converts those readings of pressure into digital signal, so that people in the industry or people that uses this pressure gauge can monitor and control the environment. Next, pressure detection. A diaphragm senses fluid pressure, causes deformation, and it is proportional to the pressure. Next, as I mentioned just now, it uses the DFARP sensor. It is a silicon resonator that changes oscillation frequency based on pressure changes, ensuring a very precise digital output. In the unit itself, the EJA 530E, it has a built-in microprocessor that corrects for temperature and non-linearity to ensure accuracy is high to all the readings. For the output, it delivers 4 to 20 mA or digital signal via protocols such as HART or field bus. For the diagnostics, and advanced self-monitoring ensure reliability and minimize downtime. Okay, thank you.
Temperature transducer, we use YTA 710. It converts temperature signal from sensor RTD or thermocouple into 4 to 20 mA or digital output for industrial monitoring and control. It ensures high accuracy and stability through advanced microprocessor technology. Input, it receives temperature signal from RTD, resistor change, or DC, voltage signal. Signal conversion, process the raw signal using ADC processing. Microprocessor correct non-linearity, compensate temperature effect, and calibrate. Output, transmit 4 to 20 mA for digital signal via HUX or field bus. Diagnostic, monitor, sensor, and transmitter help for proactive maintenance.
So, I will present about flow meter transducer. The flow meter transducer is based on Coriolis technology, measures mass flow, density, and temperature directly in fluid streams. It operates on the Coriolis effect, where oscilloscope tubes detect mass flow via phase shift caused by fluid movement. This ensures high accuracy for industrial application, including liquids and gas. So for the operating principle, first, tube oscillation. The transmitter contains vibrating tube through which fluid flows. Second, Coriolis effect. Vibrating tubes detect phase shift caused by fluid flow, proportional to the mass flow rate. Then, signal detection. Sensor measure phase difference and oscillation frequency to determine flow and density. And lastly, processing and output. A microprocessor calculates flow, density and temperature, transmitting result via 4 to 20 milliampere or digital protocols.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Razikwan bin Tarmizi, and now my turn to explain the transducer that I choose for the presentation. So the transducer that I choose is level transducer, or in common name or for rotamesh. Rotamesh use the Coriolis effect to directly measure mass flow, density and temperature by detecting phase shift in a vibrating caused by fluid flow. The first one, oscillation. Flow tubes are vibrated at natural frequency. Second, Coriolis effect. Fluid flow induces phase shift in the tube oscillation proportional to mass flow rate. The third, signal detection. Sensor measure phase difference and oscillation frequency, also detecting density. And the fourth, temperature measurement. Temperature sensor provide composition for accurate measurement. And the last one, processing and output. A digital processor calculate mass flow, density, temperature and outputting data 4 to 20 milliampere or digital protocols.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Mal. I will present about SE25V combined pH electrode. The SE25V combined pH electrode measure the pH level by detecting the hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. It integrates both the reference and measuring electrodes, simplifying the setup. Measuring electrode. Its function for a glass membrane interacts with hydrogen ions, creating a potential difference related to pH. Reference electrode is provide a stable reference potential for accurate when do the measurement. So for signal generation, the potential difference between the electrodes is converted to a pH value using the Nernst equation, and the output, the pH meter processes the signal to display the pH value.
Okay. Now I will talk about the application of EJA 510E and EJA 530E pressure transmitter. Okay, there are four of these. First one is vacuum distillation unit. Second one is a storage tank. It sits on the storage tank unit. And the third one is heat exchanger monitoring. It can monitor heat exchange. And last one is reactor pressure monitoring. Okay.
As you can see, this is the illustrator or sketch of the YTA 710 temperature transmitter. So the application of this transducer is its reactor temperature control, heat exchanger monitoring, and extrusion and molding, and cryogenic application.
For the application, for the rotamesh flow meter, first, accurate measurement of feedstock, then blending of polymers, monitoring high viscosity flows, and density and concentration monitoring.
So as you can see, this few application for DP Hub EGS and DP Hub EGA. The first one, polymer extrusion process. Second, safety instrumented system SIS. Third, steam and utility monitoring. And the last one, corrosion resistant application.
So you can see SE25V combined pH electrode. It can be used in fuel oil processing, polymerization reactor monitoring, cooling water system monitoring, and catalytic process optimization. That's all for using the SE25V combined pH electrode. That's it.
Okay, now I will talk about the installation of EJA 530E, the pressure transmitter. Okay, firstly, what we want to do is we inspect the unit itself to ensure that it is working. Secondly, we pick a good spot for installing because it is a very sensitive sensor. Third one, we need to ensure that the transmitter bracket is secured to the process line or a flat surface. Next, we need to use appropriate fitting because we need to bear in mind this thing has to be there and not fall down. Next, we connect a power source to it to make sure the grounding and the other kind of wiring, live and neutral and etc. is connected correctly. Next, we use a HUD communicator to configure the parameters and calibrate the sensor, the transmitter itself. to ensure accurate reading. And lastly, we verify everything that we have done, the connection to the wiring, the fittings and everything, and make sure we seal the transmitter. Okay, that's all from me.
So this is the part of installation of YTA 710 temperature transmitting. So this is the step-by-step how to do the installation of this transducer. First, check the YTA 710 from any visible damage and ensure its specification match the process requirement. Second, choose a location free from vibration, extreme heat or corrosive environment, and ensure accessibility. Mount the temperature sensor, RTD or thermocouple securely in the process connection using a thermowell if necessary. Connect the transmitter to the power supply and control system according to the wiring diagram in the manual. Use hot communication or field bus tool to configure the range, unit and alarm setting and calibrate the system. Lastly, verify all connection. Ensure the transmitting communicate with the control system and seal the housing securely.
Lastly, for the installation, it has several steps that include: first, mount the transmitter in the recommended orientation, horizontal or vertical. Then, ensure the sensor is always filled with fluid for liquids and free of trapped liquid for gases. Then, align the piping with the transmitter, fans or threads for proper connection. Use appropriate gasket or sets to secure a leak-free joint. And lastly is support the part line near the transmitter to prevent strain or vibration.
So now I will explain about the installation for level transmitter. As you can see, we have a two diagram that's shown about the details and specific how to install this transducer. So the first step, verify the transmitter model, range and compatibility and inspect for any damage. Second, choose a stable location from vibration and extreme environment condition. And then second and third, install upright and connect the high and low pressure port to the vessel respective taps. 4. Use appropriately sloped impulse lines with isolation valve to prevent fluid or gas trapping. And 5. Connect the 24-volt DC power supply, signal wiring and grounding. Perform a 0-point calibration, adjust the swan and run the diagnostic. And the last one, check all connection and validate reading against reference points.
So this is for the installation SC25V PS sensor. It's take a few steps for install the SC25V PS sensor. The first point is verify the sensor model, check its compatibility with the application and inspect it for damage. Number 2, install in well-mixed representative location, avoiding areas prone to sediment or excessive turbulence. Number 3, mount the sensor using the appropriate fitting and ensure the sensor tip is oriented downwards. Number 4, connect the sensor cable to the transmitter or analyzer to ensure proper shielding and grounding. And number 5 is calibrate the sensor with standard buffer solution and configure the analyzer for temperature compensation. And lastly, check the sensor reading against a reference and ensure all connections are secure. So after all, we have designed about application, installation, and about the background of Yokogawa. We can see that Yokogawa provides advanced transducer that enhance industrial automation with accurate and reliable measurement. In our application, we use the EGA530E pressure transmitter for precise pressure monitoring, the YTA 710 temperature transmitter for real-time temperature control, the rota mass flow transmitter for accurate mass flow and density measurement, the EGA 118W level transmitter for monitoring tank level, and the SC 25V pH electrode for pH and temperature sensing. Together, this device ensure efficient process control, improve safety and optimize operations across industry like oil and gas, chemical processing and wastewater treatment.
For conclusion, transducer play a vital role in a modern industry, offering precision, efficiency and reliability that drive sustainable operation. By enabling accurate monitoring and control of industrial process, they contribute to achieving key sustainable development goals called as SDG 9. industry, innovation and infrastructure, supporting resilient and sustainable industrial system that through advanced technology. SDG 12, responsible consumption and production, promoting efficient resource use and reducing waste for more sustainable production. SDG 13, climate action, minimizing environment impact through energy efficient operation and emission reduction.
So that's all from our groups, and arigatou gozaimasu. It's been thank you.